Hi, my name is Jignesh Madhani. I'm here to present my cloud project. My cloud project is a simple web application in which you can upload a file, delete, download, and even edit a file. My project is hosted on EC2 instance and can be accessed through my personal domain jdmadhani.com. I have my project web applications user slash register page already uploaded in my browser. Let's just start by registering a new user. The new user has been registered, and this is the home page of my web application. On this home page, you can see an option to upload a file and an option to list all the uploaded files. Let's just upload a couple of files. My file has been uploaded, and on this page, you have the option to either delete the file or download a file that you uploaded right now, or you can go to the home page and upload another file. And both the files have been uploaded, and which I can see on this option of list all files. In this list as well, I have option to either download a particular file or delete a particular file. I can download a file by choosing the file, clicking the download option, or delete by choosing the delete option. All this data has been stored on the backend through a data in a database that I have created using AWS RDS. The RDS is a MySQL database which has been connected to my application through EC2 instance. As you can see, the name of my database is Cloud Project Database. It has a couple of tables in it. As you can see, the register user information has been stored in this database. You can see the registration date and the time as well. Now the file that has been uploaded by the user can also be, you can also see the file that has been uploaded by the user. All this data, all these files have been stored in the backend on the cloud in S3 on the S3 bucket. Let's just go and check that out. This is my console, AWS console. On this console, I accessed my S3 console. In S3, I have created a bucket called jdmadhani.com for my domain name. In the jdmadhani.com, in the upload file, since we have uploaded the files, you can see there's a file folder with a user ID that I have just created, and in that folder is the file that I have just uploaded. Let's just register another user and see the real-time S3 and database updates. Second user has also been registered. Let's just upload a couple of files from this user. As soon as this file has been uploaded, if you go to the Amazon S3, here you can see there is another folder created. This is the user ID of the new user that has just registered. When you open this folder, you can see the file that is uploaded right now, and on the database as well, you can see a new user has been added along with the file that has just been uploaded. Now let's just create one more user. Let's upload a couple of files from this user as well. We'll now upload a different file format. As you can s- as you can see, in this user I uploaded a file which is a doc file and as well as jpg file. Now I've done this to show the admin panel. For admin panel you have to log in with a custom login, admin at that admin, and on this admin panel you can see all the files that has been uploaded by all the users with their unique user IDs and unique file IDs, along with their update times and everything, update times and dates. In this admin panel, the admin can has an option to delete any file they want, and the same file will be deleted from the database, from the S3 bucket, as well as end user account as well. So I have deleted one of the file from the user account. Now let's just see and go and check that user account. As you can see, the file that was deleted by the admin has also been deleted here. Now this entire web application has been uploaded, has been uh, hosted on a EC2 instance, which is done through cloud. And for the cloud, the first thing I did was create a VPC. So as you can see, I have created a VPC for my cloud project. On this VPC, I created 4 subnets, 2 private, 2 public, with along with other services like route tables, internet gateways, and net gateways, and all the necessary requirements for a secure connection. Next, we created uh, a personal domain name using the Route 53. As you can see on Route 53, I created a personal domain name called jdmadhani.com, and on that domain name we started in hosted zone, from where I connected all the EC2 instances, the cloud fronts, the ELBs to have a secure connection. Now we created an EC2 instance. In EC2 instance, as you can see, we have a web server, which is the main EC2 instance where our application is running, and then we have a cloud project as ASG, which is an auto scaling group, which is done for so that there is no so that if there is heavy traffic on the server, there the server would run seamlessly without any interruptions. In this EC2 instance, we created some security groups regarding the ELB, regarding the RDS, and for the EC2 instance itself, along with the load balancer for the application. As you can see, for this is the load balancer we created for this cloud project application, and the auto scaling group, as I mentioned before, the auto cloud project ASG. We used, as I mentioned before, we used RDS for this as a database for this application. It's a MySQL database, and here you can see the cloud project database that has been used, and this is the RDS database that I have used in my web application. I even have configured some CloudWatch parameters, as you can see here, to generate alarms for me if my either EC2 instance goes down, if any there are any alerts to be informed. For so as you can see here, there's an alarm for CPU utilization which is 30 less than 30%, or even and the second one is an EC2 instance where the CPU utilization is more than 18%. For messaging services, I used SNS for all these alarms. Here you can see I have my L1 support team alarm, which will mail me all the alerts from which was generated from CloudWatch. Now for storage, I used S3. As I mentioned before, I configured jdmadhani.com bucket for my domain name in S3, which has all the properties such as versioning, static web hosting, and then permissions, whereas in which we have bucket policies to connect with CloudFront, and I also have configured management policies in lifecycle policies for cost optimization, wherein a file which has been uploaded right now will be transferred to an infrequent standard IA after 75 days and into a standard glacier S3 glacier after 365 days. And after 365 and after 730 days, that is 2 years from the file upload date, the file will be permanently deleted. I have also configured an replica of the my original bucket. This is on the another region of the in another region for DR capabilities. All my subnets, as I mentioned before, are being deployed in different availability zones to away to to configure multi-AZ replication in this. For my version control, my entire code is in my GitHub repo. This is my GitHub repo, Jignesh slash SJSU, Jignesh hyphen SJSU slash cloud hyphen project. We can access the source code from this repo, and also for I am submitting a document for this project. We can refer the document for more details. Thank you.